this is not my place. I'm still in the same place, but actually I'm falling to the bottom. Maybe I'll be up again later. I must be happy. Hey, take